In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove microphone button from your iPhone's keyboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, then get into general, then keyboard, and then just scroll down until you find enable dictation feature. All you have to do is just turn off the dictation, and then if we go back to our keyboard, as you can see there are no longer microphone icon here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.